California car cover is all about vehicle protection. Now, we just added a 2022 Kia Telluride SX to our fleet, and so today this is going to be kind of one of our first installments of showing you how we're going to try to protect this vehicle as best as possible. You know, California car cover isn't just hot rods and muscle cars. You know, we can protect anything that you drive. So whether you have a new Kia Telluride or any other crossover SUV, hybrid vehicle, you know, we got some great products to make sure the vehicle looks its best year after year. So this is the kind of our first episode with the Telluride. So of course we're going to start with one of our namesake California car covers and show you some other products that will make sure you get the best from our company, and also make sure that your vehicle continues to look new no matter how old it is. The original California car duster safely removes light daily dust to keep your vehicle looking freshly washed. The wax-treated cotton fibers gently lift dust and remove it. This helps to keep the inside of your car cover clean. You can quickly dust your vehicle in minutes and help extend time between car washes. Shake out the car duster when you're done using it to remove any trapped dirt and debris to extend the life of your car duster. I just finished dusting the vehicle. Now before we install the car cover, I want to give the vehicle a quick wipe down to make sure it looks its best before we cover it. It's great to use a detail spray and glass cleaner to clean up your car before you cover it, just to get rid of any bug grime, tree sap, bird droppings, any film or contaminants that could be on your paint that could get the inside of your car cover dirtier than you want. So our Golden Shine car care line has some great products. Our Quick Shine detail spray, our Clean and Clear glass cleaner are great to quickly wipe down your vehicle and clean it up before we install the car cover. The Golden Shine Quick Shine detail spray will clean and add shine to your vehicle's paint. Just spray and wipe away with a soft microfiber cloth to remove bird droppings, tree sap, splash marks, and fingerprints. The detail spray will remove any contaminants that the car duster could not. Quick Shine detail spray will add shine to your vehicle to maintain that just cleaned appearance day after day. The product is easy to use and smells great too. Use it regularly to clean your vehicle in between washes and keep your car cover cleaner. Use the Golden Shine Clean and Clear glass cleaner to quickly clean your vehicle's windows, mirrors, and windshield to remove any film or grime that may cling to the car cover during use. Simply spray and wipe away with a microfiber glass cleaning towel. The ammonia-free formula is gentle on window tint and delicate glass, but tough on grime and film. Clean and Clear leaves behind a streak-free, clean appearance. In the California car cover fabric lineup, we have plenty of options. So when it comes down to outdoor options, there's quite a few to choose and kind of select in between. So when I had to pick a car cover for this new vehicle, considering it's going to be used predominantly in Southern California, mostly hot and dry, but we do get some wet weather occasionally, I went with one of our Ultraweave car covers. It's one of our mid-price point car covers. Been pretty popular for us due to that it's a heavyweight woven fabric, so it's durable, and plus it's washer and dryer safe, so you can take care of it at home. So the cover will give you excellent UV and dust protection and moderate water resistance. So we'll check out some details on this car cover, and I'll show you how to install it, and we'll move on. Our Ultraweave car cover provides excellent UV protection, dust protection, and moderate water resistance. The cover is made from 150 denier yarn that provides ample protection without being too heavy for daily usage. It features a Hydromax finish to protect against rain, but still remains breathable to allow condensation to evaporate. Ultraweave car covers are washer and dryer safe for easy use and care. To install, place the car cover on your vehicle's hood and locate the mirror pockets when applicable. Most late model vehicle car covers do have mirror pockets, but most classic car patterns do not. Secure each mirror in the mirror pocket and proceed to unroll the car cover to cover your vehicle. Since each car cover is custom fit, installation is rather quick and fitment precise. Once the rear of the car cover is secure, pull down the front of the car cover to secure the elastic. California car covers are vehicle specific for the ultimate fit. It is what separates our car covers from companies that manufacture or sell ready-fit, universal, or semi-custom car covers. This car cover for the Kia Telluride features mirror pockets for a better fit and a pocket for the roof antenna. When you're ready to hit the road, simply unroll the car cover back to front without dragging it. The car cover folds up rather easily, so you can store it until you're ready to use it again. The Covercraft UVS100 Premier Series sunscreen is custom fit for the best fit and protection. This sunshade is designed to reflect harmful UV rays to reduce heat inside your vehicle and keep your vehicle much more comfortable especially during the summer months. The insulated sunshade folds for easy install and storage. The sunscreen is shown in the Galaxy Silver finish. Okay, I hope you enjoyed kind of segment 1 of our Kia Telluride protection plan. We went through the California car cover, the Covercraft sunshade, and some of our Golden Shine car care products. We'll be doing some of these segments periodically just to help protect this Kia Telluride for as long as possible. So, California car cover, we kind of protect anything on the road, so keep an eye out for upcoming videos on seat covers, floor mats, and beyond, pretty much, just to kind of keep this vehicle looking new. So we're going to want to protect it while it's going down the road, but also, most importantly, we need to protect this vehicle from my 2 young daughters, because they can really test any interior protection package. So check out our upcoming videos, subscribe, or just check us back, and you'll see everything we're doing to protect this Kia Telluride, because whatever we do to it, we can do to yours, or any crossover or SUV you might be driving. So thanks for checking us out.